Welcome. Today I'm going to show you a new site that I created. It's called auctions. So this is a site that is used for auctioning items. You can create an item, you can place a bid, and you can also make comments. So let's jump right in and let me show you how it works. So currently we don't have any active listings, so let's log in and create that. So when we log in, other menu items will be added. For example, currently we have active listings. We have create listing, categories, watch list, and logout. So let's create one listing. So we click create listing, and then we add a title. So let's say we want to add a dress, for example. Then we want the first starting bid to be at $70, and then the description will just add very nice dress, and then category will put under fashion, and then image we will just add an image from the computer, and then submit. When we submit, then the item will be added on active listings. Remember, when we started these active listings, there was none here, and given that we are logged in, we are able to press on the name, click on the name to see the details about the item. So let me press here, and then it takes me to the listing details. Here we have description, starting bid that we just added, and categories. We also have created date and time, and last bid. So far there is no bid, so let's assume that we are a different user and we want to make a bid. So let's bid 50. If we bid 50, it will add that, showing that one bid so far. So after that, we can watch this listing to see how next time when we log in, when we go to watch list, it will pop this up and we can see how other people have bid. So let's go to watch listing. When you go to watch listing, it is showing there. You can also go back through the same link. Given that we're the ones who have created this, we are able to close the bid. But for now, let's just add a comment. This is test comment on listing. Sorry for the spelling. Test comment on listing. Then we add the comment. That comment comes up with my name under it, and then we can also close this bid, assuming that we don't want any other person to bid on this, and given that we are the ones who I'm the one who created it, then I can close the bid. So when I close the bid, it shows that you're the winner this bid. So this will appear, for example, if another user is logged in and is the one who made the last bid. If the bid is closed, then that specific user who made the last bid will see that is the winner of the bid. Another cool feature, after seeing create listings, we can also see categories. So the one we created was under fashion. You see we have dress. Let's create another one just to demonstrate under electronics. Let's put like speakers. Then starting bid we can put at $100. Description, we say test description. Then category, we can choose electronics, and then we choose an image. So let me see if I have an image of a speaker here. Do I have that? Do I have one? Yes, I have one here. Then I submit. When I submit, then it comes down here, speakers, text description, and all this. If we go back to categories now, we'll have two categories. We'll have one for fashion, which is the dress, and we'll also have one for electronics, which is speaker. So that shows that the categories works well. So we have seen how to create an item, how to add category and see categories, and also now let's go and see how we can watch an item. So let's go back to the listings and open this speaker. Then we add watch. So if we add watch, we click the watch button, it adds the item on the watch list. If we go to watch list, then we'll see now our item is added there and you can watch it. Then that's watch list feature. If you click on it, it takes you back to active listings details page. Here it's showing that there's no bid so far, and yeah, you can comment close bid. Another feature is we can log out. Once you're logged out, then you cannot now see the details, and you cannot bid, you cannot watch. That is that. Let's go to the admin panel. On the admin panel, when I log in here, I'll be able to see bids. In admin state, I can delete. For example, if I want to delete this bid, I can go ahead and delete that. If I can delete the listing, it asks me, are you sure you want to do this? Then you agree, I'm sure. I can also edit. If I want to edit this listing, I just click on the name and then I can add something. Tests, edit. If I save and go back to the listing, sorry, without the admin link, I can see now test edit is added at the end, which we added here on edit. We can delete, we can edit, we can add a new listing. Just call it test 2 listing. Then test description, starting bid, let's just put 70 for now, and then put under home appliances, created date today and time now, and then we choose an image. So let's for home appliance, let's add something like a fridge. We have fridge here, we open, then let's add another different user as the person who created it to see how that works. So now when we come back here and refresh this page, you will see our fridge there added, and given that we are not the ones who created it, we cannot close the bid. Remember, on the other listings we were able to close the bid because we are the ones who created the item, but now this is a different user who created the listing. We cannot close the bid. Now let's do this. Let's add a bid of 100, place a bid, and then let's go back to admin and try to close the bid, close the bid. Oh, that's an error. Okay, for that, sorry for that. Yeah, that's that. So we can watch the item and see the item there, and that's it. We can also log out. Okay, so that's basically, that's it. That's the site, and that's how it operates.